Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gurmeet Kaur and today I have come to visit this nursery. This is a military nursery near my home. So I'm just going in this nursery. I have heard there are many plants. They'll be coming every day to the nursery and we'll be getting that for the reasonable prices. So let's go and check what kind of plants are there and how reasonable the prices are. And here we'll get lot of tools, gardening tools also, as you can see. It's a vast area. This is a military cantonment place. So I'll keep you updated. We have protons there, and here we have dracaenas. See, we have a number of dracaenas here. See, beautiful crotons plants we have here. We have aglaonema here. So see how beautiful this nursery is. Let's go and check some plants. Okay, here are some ixoras. See, and those are my plants which I'm going to buy today. See, we also have monstera here. Oh, it's very beautiful. See, here we have begonias, guys. See, these are in small poly bags and they are at very reasonable prices. We have kale here. Previously when I came here there were multicolors of kale. Now we have these, but I have come for this begonia today. So I'll be buying some of begonias. As winter is here, see, we can see lot of marigolds. And yeah, here we have this variegated umbrella plants. Here we have gerbera. See how beautiful this one is. It has 3 flowers in this. I think I'll take one of the gerbera also. Here we have dwarf syngonium, guys, and there you can see fern plant is there. And here we have aglaonema. Here's a red lipstick aglaonema, and there we have calathea. I think I'll be taking this. One of these rattlesnake is there. And here you can see these all are anthuriums. See how beautiful the anthurium is growing here. I hope they grow in our houses also. You can see chrysanthemum here, and see, there are lots of flowering plants this time. Last time when I came there were no flowering plants. I'll be taking one of these also. I forgot the name of this. See, here we have Lal Badshah or Loropetalum, what we call it. You'll get it on very reasonable prices, guys. I'll also share the link where to buy in Hyderabad. Here we have lots of spider plants. There are also runners coming out. See here, and we have fern here. Here is stick cactus. See, here we have lot of varieties of coleus, guys. See how many varieties of coleus we have. See, this one will look very nice, and even this one, it will look beautiful. You put it in your garden. I don't know, when I come here I end up taking 10 to 20 plants. Let's see what I'll do this time. We also have some of the bonsai plants here, as you can see. See, we have loads of pots to select from. You can see how big this one is, and lot of pots are there. See, ceramic pots. Lot of varieties are there if you want to buy here. See, these all I liked it very much. So this one, this. You have small to bigger containers, guys. See there. Here are the bleeding heart. I'm going to take one. Okay, we have loads of varieties of these ceramic planters. We have small to big ones. See, even the same colors you'll be finding different. See, there we have big ones also. How beautifully these people are maintaining. See, lot of planters are there. You also have plastic ones here. See, these big tubs also. You'll get everything, guys, here. See. Lot to choose from. Hi friends, so this is a plants which I have taken yesterday. It was a little late and it also became dark, so I haven't shown you my plants what I have brought from the nursery. So here are some plants. So this is this is a cherry chili plant, guys. As you can see this one is small cherry. The chili will be in round in shape. And here is this ornamental chili plant I've taken. Starting the chilies will be purple in color. These are just ornamental, we cannot eat this one. And this one I was trying to take at the time of Christmas. All these chilies what we are getting now will turn red in color, so it will look very beautiful. So that is why I've taken this plant. This all costed me very less price, guys. This one was this one I got it for only 20 rupees. This one also I think 20 or 30 rupees I got. So this was not doing so well. Then also I've taken, because see, I've got this plant just for 30 rupees. And you can see they have given it with the pot. So I don't have marble queen pothos. I thought at least this one doing better than others. So I just took, I thought I'll revive it, no problem. So let's see how this goes. And here is this plant. This is a metal leaf plant, guys. Red flame ivy, what people say. This is not used much of the places. Like many of the people, they don't have this plant because they don't find it in nursery. So when I got it, so I grabbed it yesterday. It is a very beautiful plant. I had it earlier also, but I had very small one and I couldn't revive it, because at that time I didn't know how to take care of this plant. I kept this one in complete sun, so that's why it got spoiled. And here is the bleeding heart. I told you I would buy this, and I bought this one. This one costed me for 60 rupees with pot. So you can see I got it with pot, and this one costed me only for 60 rupees. And here is this begonia. This one is with white flower, guys. Mostly we see pink colored ones. So as winters has started and these will bloom very nicely. I don't have begonia seeds, so I'm taking plants now. And one more begonia, this one is dark colored begonia. This you can put it in a little bit, at least in sunlight also. So these are the plants, guys. Yesterday I've taken. I thought I'd be taking many plants, because once I go there were calathea, there were marantas, prayer plants, and there were many coleus varieties, but I couldn't, there was nobody to help me out. I just went there for mustard cake and see what I've got. So this is guys, what I've bought. I got these plants at very cheaper prices. This marble queen pothos, first of all, you won't find it. If you find it also, you'll find it for 250 rupees. They'll be putting in hanging baskets. Of course the cuttings will be more, but you'll be having here for 250 to 300 rupees in the nurseries. And this one I'm not finding it anywhere. So this one also I just got it for 40 rupees I think. And these begonias also just for 30 rupees I got it. So I think it is very fair. I also bought two pots, ceramic pots, that I did not include here. I just wanted to show you my plants. Okay, see, these are blooming quite well now. I'll be doing a video on this. Okay, thank you guys for watching.